Hey guys, Becky Brune here with JP and Associates. I wanted to hop on here real quick to give you a quick tutorial on a service that I provide my clients for absolutely free, and it is called Cloud Streams. All you will need to do is click the link below in this email to set up your free account. But what makes Cloud Streams great is that this information will update you on properties you are interested in real time. So unlike Zillow.com or Realtor.com, the information will not be outdated, it will be accurate, and it's interactive, so you can communicate directly with me on properties you would like more information on, or if you would like to tour a home. So let's get started. Whenever you get the invitation from me in your email, this is what it's going to look like. All you'll need to do is click Set Up Your Stream. Okay guys, so once you finish setting up your Cloud Streams account, this is what your landing page is going to look like. So it is so easy to navigate through, and you will be able to set up any alerts that you would like. You can get the alerts via text or email, and you can do them daily in real time, whatever you would like to do. So in this example, I set up a stream that is for homes that I'm interested in Forney, Texas. These are going to be homes that are going to be 3 bedrooms or more, 2 bedrooms or two bathrooms or more, and the price point's going to be anywhere from $240,000 to $300,000. And here we go. Here are my options. Now, let's just say I would like more information on this first one, Pittsburgh Landing. I'm going to go ahead and click this property. Now, you'll see over here to the right that you will be able to not only get the price per square foot, you will know the status that is in real time of the property, if it's available or if it would be under contract, so on and so forth. You would get to know how big the lot is, the year it was built, and that's going to be information that you will not be able to receive on Zillow or Realtor. You will also get to know a nice little description of the property. If you would like to scroll through and see more photos, you just click the arrows. And a great tool that is also included is that if you go down to the bottom right hand corner and see the little pinpoint there, you click on it. This is going to give you the Google Maps preview of where the home is located. So this is just very nice because you can get a better idea of where the property is. And as you can see here, I also did just a quick example of how easy it is to interact with me on this program. So if you would like to comment or like a property and would like to tour it, all you would need to do is comment down below, and I will be notified and we can set up a time. So again, I just wanted to touch base with you and give you just a very quick rundown about Cloud Streams. If you have any questions or if you would like more information on a specific property, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I am here to help. I will talk to you soon, guys. Bye-bye.